Hi everyone, and welcome to my course on Microsoft Excel for data analysts. This course is meant to be an introductory level course to Microsoft Excel using the most common functions that you will use on your day-to-day job working as a data analyst. This course covers 4 main areas, and these are going to be around Excel basic functions, some common formulas that you'll be using, pivot charts, and your tables and graphs. In each section, we'll cover a number of hands-on lessons, that way you can see how those functions are being used, and so you can get the practice on your own. But before we dive into the course, let's talk about a few important key pieces of information. First, this course requires you to use Microsoft Excel, and I'm using the Office 365 package, and I'm currently on version 16 of Microsoft Excel. Keep in mind that if you're using an older version of Microsoft Excel, some of the functions that we're working with here today may or may not work on your version. Fortunately, most of the functions that we'll be working with in this course don't seem to change much in Microsoft Excel, so you should be okay. Second, as we go through this course, if you're looking for additional help documentation on your specific version of Excel or the specific formulas that we're talking about here, feel free to check out the help guides on Microsoft's website. Third, if you don't currently have Microsoft Excel, you can check out their website to see if they have any free trials or if they have the month-to-month subscription package that you can utilize. If you happen to be working with Google Sheets instead of Excel, just know that some of the functions are going to be a little bit different, and this course is not designed to support and teach how these things work in Google Sheets. And last, this course is designed to teach you the most common functions that you'll be using in Excel as a data analyst. With Excel, it has a ton of functionality to it. However, a lot of that functionality is not necessarily super useful for a data analyst. And last, this course is designed to teach you the basic functions that you'll need to use as a data analyst. There's always a lot more that you can learn with Microsoft Excel, including those fancy keyboard shortcuts, but that's not in the scope of this course here today. But don't worry, you don't need to know all those things to be successful using Excel or to be successful starting out as a data analyst. So with that, let's go ahead and jump over to Excel and get started.